It was an interesting start to the trading week yesterday, to say the least, as markets opened sharply lower following news over the weekend that U.S. President Donald Trump had signed an executive order issuing 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico, along with 10% tariffs on China, all of which were due to go into effect early Tuesday. However, markets recovered off their lows as news broke through the day that Mexico had reached an agreement with the U.S. on certain border security commitments that will see the tariffs delayed by 30 days. Following the market close, news broke that Canada had also reached a similar agreement with the US that will also see the tariffs delayed by 30 days. Whether these tariffs are implemented or not, it's important to remember that economies are extremely resilient. In the past 5 years alone, we've seen a global pandemic, several terrible armed conflicts, as well as some of the highest inflation we've seen in 40 years. The market and the global economy has weathered these storms. Now, this is certainly not to minimize the devastating effects a trade war between Canada and the US would have on many Canadian and American individuals, and our hearts go out to anyone whose livelihood would stand to be directly affected. Strictly from an investment perspective, if tariffs would stand to completely upend your investment plan, then you're almost certainly not invested properly. Now more than ever, stay disciplined and stay diversified.
Verican Capital Management Inc. is a registered portfolio manager. See website for details.